Moving inside, the GLC supportive seats deliver class-leading ergonomics. Contemporary design gives the seats an ultra-modern, futuristic look, while seat heating and a memory position function now come standard. The interior is further elevated with the choice of 13 available upholsteries in MB-Tex, leather and Napa leather, as well as several new trims including glossy brown ash wood, natural grain black wood with aluminum lines and metal weave. The GLC also features optional ambient lighting with 3 dimming zones, 64 colors and 10 color moods, providing an almost unlimited choice of lighting combinations. Looking up, you can enjoy an unobstructed view of the great outdoors, thanks to the optional and completely redesigned panoramic sliding sunroof. It features an electric roller sunblind with one-touch control and an automatic rain closing function. The new GLC also provides owners with more of our latest technology and safety features. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster puts the most essential information directly in front of the driver, making the new GLC even easier to operate while keeping your eyes on the road. The 11.9-inch central touchscreen features a screen slightly angled towards the driver to provide the best possible view. The new GLC comes with our second-generation MBUX infotainment system and Hey Mercedes voice control. The intuitive zero-layer user interface gives you direct access to the most important functions of the MBUX system by placing them right on the first menu level of the display. The new GLC also offers full-screen navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus wireless mobile device charging. When it comes to sound quality, the Burmester surround sound system included with our exclusive and Pinnacle trims offers 15 premium speakers and a total output of 710 watts, which will truly thrill the senses. This advanced sound system can even stream music directly from the most popular platforms. Your new GLC will also stay current thanks to over-the-air updates. As soon as new software becomes available from Mercedes-Benz, a message appears in the MBUX and installation takes place in the background. Finally, the optional driver assistance systems further enhance comfort and safety. For example, new active distance assist Distronic automatically regulates the distance from the vehicle in front of you. The best part is, safety features all seamlessly function together in the background to keep you and your precious passengers safe. Let me point out one more optional tech feature: our new Guard 360 vehicle protection package. It comprises an anti-theft alarm system plus tow-away protection, which can detect changes in position. Movement in the vehicle interior also triggers visual and acoustic warnings. Mercedes-Me theft and parking collision detection informs the owner via an app. Guard 360 Vehicle Protection Plus also includes vehicle locating in the event of theft, as well as emergency key deactivation.